Everyone wants to ride the crest of the wave with their investment. HDFC SL Crest promises you with life protection along with market linked returns. Will this insurance plan help you build your investment portfolio? The detailed analysis will let you know whether you can ride the crest of the wave by investing in HDFC SL Crest plan. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. This HDFC SL Crest plan is unit-linked non-participating life insurance plan. Today let's look into its features, investment options and also its IRR analysis and also compare it with pure term insurance along with ELSS, by which we'd come to know whether is it worth investing in this plan as an investor or not and what role will it play in your investment portfolio. Now let's first see the features of HDFC SL Crest plan. You can pay the premium for just 5 years and enjoy a policy term of 10 years. Sum assured could be selected up to 20 times the annual premium. Option to invest in any of the 10 fund options available and create your investment strategy. Partial withdrawal from funds allowed post lock-in period to meet your financial emergencies. Fund switch option allows you to switch between funds. Here are 10 fund options of HDFC SL Crest plan and the risk profile of each fund option varies accordingly. So as a policyholder, you get to choose your fund catering to your risk appetite and your financial goals. Now let's see the three types of benefits available in this HDFC SL Crest plan. The first one is maturity benefit, the second one is death benefit and the third one is partial withdrawal. In maturity benefit, at the end of the policy term, the fund value prevailing on the date of maturity will be paid to the policy holder. You can opt for the settlement option where you can receive the maturity benefit in periodical installments over a period that may extend up to a maximum of 5 years. The second one is death benefit. In case of life assured unfortunate demise, the nominee will receive sum assured less all withdrawals made during the 2 years immediately preceding the death of the life assured and the unit fund value. If you see, the minimum death benefit will at least be 105% of the total premium paid. The third one is partial withdrawal. You can make lump sum partial withdrawal from your funds after 5 years of your policy. The minimum withdrawal amount is Rs 10,000. Now let's see the various charges under this HDFC SL Crest plan. The first one is premium allocation charge. After deducting discharge from your premium, the remainder is to be invested to buy units. The second one is fund management charge. The daily unit price already includes the fund management charge of Rs 1.35% per annum charged daily of the fund value. The third one is policy administration charge. A policy administration charge of 0.31% per month of the original annual premium will be deducted monthly and will increase by 5% on every policy anniversary, subject to maximum charge of Rs 500 per month. The fourth one is mortality charge. The amount of the charge taken each month depends on your age and the level of coverage. Fifth one is miscellaneous charge. Any policy alteration request initiated by the policyholder will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. The sixth one is partial withdrawal charge. A partial withdrawal request from the policyholder will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. However, if the request is executed through the company's web portal, the policyholder will be charged Rs 25 per request. The seventh one is switching charge. A fund switch request from the policyholder will attract Rs 250 per request. However, if the request is executed through company's web portal, the policyholder will be charged Rs 25 per request. Eighth one is premium redirection charge. A premium redirection request initiated by the policyholder will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. However, if the request is executed through the company's web portal, the policyholder will be charged Rs 25 per request. The last one is discontinuance charge. This charge depends on the year of discontinuance and the annual premium amount. There is no charge from the fifth policy year onwards. If you see, from my perspective, the fund management charge, mortality charge seems rational and justifiable, whereas partial withdrawal charge, premium allocation charge seems irrational and unjustifiable. These charges will pull down the potential return in the long run. So as an investor, we need to get know in depth about the investment vehicle we are looking to invest in. Now let's see the potential advantages of HDFC SL Crest plan. It offers dual benefit of life cover and market linked return to its policyholders. The premium is invested as per the policyholder's choice. If you see, if the policyholder wants to enhance his life cover, there are rider options available by which he can enhance his life cover. Now let's see the potential disadvantages of HDFC SL Crest plan. The policy term is 10 years and the premium paying term is 5 years and they are fixed. Increasing or decreasing policy term, premium paying term and sum assured is not allowed. Premium can be paid only in annual mode. The premium has invested a net of charges. This will reduce the potential return of the policy. There is no loyalty benefit or any other bonus additions. The lock-in period is for 5 years. No loans are available in this policy. Before choosing any plan as an investor, we should always look into its potential return. Now let's see HDFC SL Crest plan IRR analysis. For this, let us make certain assumptions so comparing it will be easier. There is a male whose age is 35 years, his policy term is 10 years, premium paying term is 5 years, annual premium is 50,000, sum assured is 5 lakh. If you see, this benefit illustration is taken from HDFC website and the return of 4% and 8% are not guaranteed, they are just assumptions. If you see, under the worst case scenario, its IRR seems to be negative. The reason behind this is that policy reveals a lot of charges, so the premium is invested after deducting all these charges. There is no transparency in the charge and after the money that goes into the investment bucket. Even if in the best case scenario, that is 8%, the future investment rate, the IRR seems to be 3.84. This rate is far below the fixed investment rate. Under the HDFC SL Crest plan, the sum assured is also too low. So, it's always better for us as investors to look for its alternatives. Now, let's see what are the alternatives for HDFC SL Crest plan, which will help us achieve our financial goals and help us be financially stable in the future. Now let's compare this HDFC SL Crest plan with pure term insurance along with ELSS. So we'll get a better picture whether to invest in this plan or not, and will this plan help us achieve right investment portfolio or not. Let us make similar assumptions so it will be easier for us to compare. Here the sum assured is 5 lakhs, policy term is 10 years, premium paying term is 5 years, annual premium is 3,800 and the balance is invested in ELSS that says 46,200. Here if you see, the IRR seems to be 10.34%, which is inflation beating return and which will help you achieve your financial goals and also give your investment portfolio a right balance. So as an investor, it is always important for us to see all the investment vehicles available in the market and choose the right investment vehicle catering to our risk appetite and financial goals. Now let's see the final verdict on HDFC SL Crest plan. It is a unit-linked insurance policy. You pay the premium for limited years and it gets invested in stock market. Even though it is a market-linked product, the potential return is on the lower side due to hefty charges. Neither it guarantees inflation-beating return nor it provides you with adequate life cover. If you see, as a policyholder, we should always remember this. Any policy that provides dual benefit to the investors will not be beneficial in the long run. So, it is always wise to choose to invest for investment and insurance separately. A detailed review on HDFC SL Crest plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.